Middleman Mentor here, back with another credit building video. And today, we gonna get some wheels.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way.
So, when it comes to getting a vehicle, it's gonna be levels to this that I want you to understand exactly what you need to do if you haven't had a vehicle at all, right? Or if you have a car, things you can do in different ways that you can get the car, all right? So one, if you never had a vehicle before, you want to start off in the economy car. The reason you want to get the economy car is, all right, so that car right there is going to be between $17,000 to $20,000. You want to build on your FICO score. So start off with the economy car, and you can pay on that probably 6 months to a year, or you can pay it and keep it as long as you want to, but you always can trade it in and go to the next level, which is a luxury car, all right? Keep the luxury car, that's probably around, I'm saying, well, I'm looking at 30, 45,000, 50, 60,000, stuff like that. Then you'll go more of exotics, right? Exotics, 75 to 100K. Then supercars, 150 plus or better, right? So you start off with the economy car and work yourself up. There's 3 different ways you can do this play. You can go straight to the dealership. I highly recommend you don't. When I went to the dealership, they hit me probably for like 20 different inquiries, just shot my credit everywhere. I know how to get the inquiries off, so thank God I do know how to get the inquiries off. So I took my time and I filed a FTC affidavit, and I ran the play that I know how to do, and I got them taken off. That's pretty easy too. You just gotta a little bit of paperwork, but it's worth it. They come right on off in like 24 hours. Believe that, okay? So yeah, you can go directly to the dealership with the credit score that you're supposed to have now. If you went through the whole Middleman Mentor and you went step by step each video, you should be in the 700 club. You literally can go in the dealership and go get your car. Say you work wherever you want to work at. You feel me? Say you make around, I say around $68,000, $70,000. Don't try to go over 75K. You gonna walk right out there with the car. I personally did it. And on this play, when I did my play, I got multiple cars because I'm making money with my car. We're gonna discuss that too, all right? So you got another play. I talk about 3 banks in one of the videos, and it's a reason why we need to build relationship with multiple institutions. And this is one of the reasons. So now you got 3 different banks, right? 3 different banks you go to the credit union. You go to the credit union, they're gonna pull your report one time, and they're gonna see what's going on. So they see what's going on, you tell them exactly what you told the dealership. You make around this much and you doing this. You already was putting money in these banks. We already know the play. You did a secure loan with them, so you already built up the relationship. They're gonna cut you a check, right? 9 times 10, you gotta already know the vehicle you want, have the VIN number, this, that, and the third. They're gonna give you direction. I'm just the middleman creating the play for you, right? So they gonna cut you a check. You go right up there, boom. You get the car is basically cash from the dealership. You go back and you run it back with the bank. That's a nice way to boost your credit score up too. You know what I'm saying? Well, every last one of them after you start paying the vehicle alone, it's gonna help you boost your credit score. But definitely, you know what I'm saying, run that play. That's the best play. Then 2, okay, like you get in the vehicle, and I ain't showed you how to eat with the car yet, but you ever run into a situation, you got a website called Swipe Lease. With Swipe Lease, you can go up there and basically it's exactly what it say it is. You're trying to swipe a lease. Somebody up there probably put themselves in the situation. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't do it right now, whatever, this, that, and the third. Everybody go through trials and tribs, you feel me? Or they might just not want the car. They're trying to get out of that to get something else because there's a lot of things going on now. You already know, everybody trying to hustle differently, right? So you literally can get that lease from that person and have good credit. And most likely it might, if you find the right ones up there, right? You got to find the right, you got to find the right ones. And they'll swipe a lease with you, no money down. You just swipe the lease and you take over the payments the next month. You know what I'm saying? In some cases, they might pay you to get the car. You dig what I'm saying? Like, it's different deals up there. Just check in your area and you'll see the plate, right? So now, you get in this vehicle. There's different things you can do with this vehicle to make sure you're eating from this car. right? I want you to think with me. This channel, you here to think and create. You're not here to sit around trying to figure it out, right? All right, so now you running the play. You got Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates. You got the Publix, you got Walmart, Whole Foods. You can run the play, make 60 a day, and start you and create your income simply like that, right? And run that through the bank and pay your bills. Me personally, I use the turo route. So when I ran my play to get my vehicle, I actually ran it and I went and got 2 cars, right? So I seen the opportunity, I see what was going on, it told me it ain't gonna hit my report till a certain time, so I took full advantage of that, right? And so I jumped on Turo, literally, and I booked on Turo, and my experience, less than like 2 hours, I got my first booking with my first vehicle. You know, in like probably like 3 days, the car was gone for a whole month, like just being booked, just running. My Impala, the same thing. I got that in less than like 2 hours again, booked, out of there. You know what I'm saying? So Turo's a route for me. Let me lift this up real quick. Turo's a route for me, you know what I'm saying? But like, if you don't have a car, you need the car, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, do the play, run the play, you know, use the vehicle to make some money instead of being a liability, just using it, going back and forth, turn it up, you know what I mean? Pump up, you feel what I'm saying? Any way you choose, you know, to get that cash flow going, you want to create that cash flow. And it's very important while you're creating the cash flow. Now, when you're creating this cash flow and you're going out in this bank and you're making money every day, daily, now you see these transactions, you're building up this report with them, right? So now when you double back again and you go back and start getting your credit cards, you're going to have higher lines of credit. And that's what you always want to do. You see what I'm saying? So it's not just about getting a car and just seeing that one opportunity. You know, now you actually got to hustle for yourself. You can work for yourself and literally survive. It's all about what you put in. You know, but with that cash flow you building up, you can develop lines of credit. And when you start whatever you're going to do, if you're going to do Uber, Lyft, whatever it is that, you know, you want to do, I highly recommend you get you an LLC. And I ain't going to drop a lot of drip on this video about it, so you should definitely subscribe to this channel and stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? But we're going to get on why you should get an LLC so you can go ahead and start seasoning that thing, because it's a lot of money in having a business in America. This is a business. You know what I'm saying? But there, you know, with the car and you start getting the cash flow, now you can move around, you got a vehicle, and then when you mess around and you go back and you go get your credit card, you're gonna go and do this and you're gonna get it from all 3 banks. So now you're established. So now you can literally come out all 3 banks sitting on probably $35,000, $40,000 depending on your situation. I'm gonna show you in one of the videos coming up too, my funding run and what I came up with. So you definitely want to stay tuned to this channel. So now you getting some money. Now we starting a business. Now we don't hit you with the, I highly recommend you get an LLC. Like with this thing right here, it takes time. It's like an engine. You just got to keep working at it every day, and then the pieces will start working themselves together. But on this YouTube channel, I told you we starting all straight from the mud, and we gonna build it all the way up until we on some like it really gonna be something like that. Like, no, that's what the whole objective of this channel is. I'm just like showing y'all rags to riches type shit, because I got the formula, and as I'm going through the process, I'm literally giving it to you. And I'm gonna have a Turo video we're gonna put together when I showed you when I bought the cars. You know, I've been documenting that too as well, and my process. I'm gonna show y'all my back office on how much I really generated, what I brought in. I think I got some screenshots on how fast I got my first booking. So it's like, you know, I'm trying to keep this going. So, you know, if you like what you're seeing, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. You know what I mean? See, like, yo, just like you, like, you know, if you ain't in the best situations, me either. But, you know, we being real creative with what we doing, so, you know, and we know where we headed. It's just not like we making moves and not really know what's going on. Everything is strategic and well planned out. It's a blueprint, you know, middleman mentor shit, you know. But other than that, I think we good, and you should go ahead and get your vehicle after you see this video. And congratulations to you, you know. Whatever it is, comment down below and let me know what kind of car did you get. If you got this far through this channel and now you sliding, you know, let me know what you bought with the information that I shared with you. You know, and if y'all want any more detail about like how to put the play together, I guess you would say, just like you can hit me up on Middleman Mentor on my IG. All that stuff is gonna be left in the description. Just reach out. I'm really, cool guy. You just gotta get to know me and just hit me up, and we can get to it. Like, this is what I'm about. If you have any business ventures, you really don't wanna, you wanna get the car, and make some money, but I show you my stats, you see what's up. I am looking for business partners and ventures like that, so we trying to coexist. You understand what I'm saying? But let's keep getting to it. I'm kind of like starting to enjoy doing this, so I want to keep this going. Y'all please interact, do what y'all do. Till next time, Middleman, I'm out.